So starting in a seated position, let's bring the right knee into the chest. Sitting up nice and tall, bring that right hand behind you. Inhale, left arm to the sky, making contact with the left tricep and the right thigh if possible. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to maybe go a little bit deeper if the breath is still flowing. Notice how my left toes are active. And when you're ready, come back to center, give yourself a little counter twist. Beautiful. On the other side, inhale, left knee into the chest, sit up tall. Inhale, right arm to the sky. Exhale, coming into your twist. Again, only going as far as the breath allows. Strong right toes, sitting up tall. And when you're ready, gently coming back round to center. Give yourself a little counter twist. And then we'll meet back in seated.